Chase Sapphire Everyday Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you want a rewards card without the complexity of high annual fees, the Chase Sapphire Everyday card is an excellent choice. Most people get this wrong. They assume everyday cards are low value, but the surprising truth is this card can earn substantial points just by using it for regular purchases. The card earns X points at grocery stores and X on all other purchases. Additionally, if you use your card 15 or more times per billing cycle, you earn 25% more points on all purchases that month. For example, a household spending $0 per year on groceries and regular expenses could earn roughly 37,500 points, which can be redeemed for travel or gift cards. The card has no annual fee and includes employee cards at no additional cost, making it ideal for families or small business owners looking to maximize everyday rewards. Added perks include trip delay reimbursement, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Everyday card turns routine spending into valuable points with no annual fee and bonus opportunities for frequent use. For those looking to earn rewards without complex categories or high costs, it's a practical, efficient choice.